Hello and welcome to a new Power Apps tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use AI to retrieve information from a document and pass it on to our form. We will show you how to build an AI model that supports this and how to use it in your Canvas application. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. The idea is, we upload the document using a specific controller and retrieve the data from that file into certain fields of our form. To be able to do this, we'll need an AI model for processing forms. So we'll have to set that up and train our model so that it can be usable. After that is done, we need to import it into our application and map the data from our controller to our form so that we can use it as we see fit. Let's start by going to our makepowerapps.com page, and once we are there, we go to AI Builder and select Build. Just a quick note before we start. To be able to use the AI Builder, we need to either start a trial of this component or extend our license to support it. After that, we are prompted to select the type of AI module that we wish to use. In our case, we are going to select Form Processing. We give it a name and hit Create. The next step is to define what is the information that we wish to extract from the document. So let's define a few fields for our demo. Name and value. After that, the AI Builder requires that we provide a set of documents. These will be used to train the AI model so that we can use it in our app. With those documents in the system, all that is left to do is tag the fields that were created previously. We tag these in the document, and once that is done for all the provided documents, we let the AI finish the training process. And our AI model for form processing is ready to be used. For the second part of the tutorial, we'll need a small Canvas app that will allow us to take advantage of our previously built AI model. We are going to choose to start our app from data, more specifically from the Microsoft Dataverse. We are going to pick the accounts table from the Dataverse and let Power Apps build the base version of our application. Okay, we have our base application. Now let's just tidy up a bit. As soon as our application is ready, we're going to go to our detail page and add our model, and we can do that by doing the following steps. After that, let's link the information back to our form so that we can use it. should be sufficient. Let's see everything working together now. We start our application and go to our detail page. In here we select the Analyze button, submit the document, and let the AI work its magic. Alright, let's repeat the procedure, but for a new receipt that has not been used in the training of the AI. Let's just do a quick playthrough to see if everything is in order. And voila, the information is now in our form and ready to be saved into the database in our case. And on that note, we reached the end of this video. Now you should have a pretty good idea how to use AI in Power Apps. Thank you very much for watching, and please join us next time for more tutorials. See you soon.